We spoke about all our great musicians, singers, and sound engineer. One important point we forgot to make about the auditorium. So special thanks to the people of auditorium and the complete management of the auditorium. It is rare to find, like our program, the Rare Gems, it is very rare to find a good auditorium in the locality of Whitefield, and it is one of the well-disciplined auditoriums. So I thank all the auditorium staffs, the management. It is so well planned, well structured, well managed. So my special thanks to each and every member of the auditorium. And with that, I would just want to mention that Pankaj Udasji had sung one of the Kannada songs, which a lot of us may not be knowing. So I went to his concert thrice in my lifetime or his lifetime, and he sang that song. This is how I got to know that he sang one of the Kannada song. Vijayji is there with us, who will be singing the Kannada song, and then I will follow just after that. So, Vijayji. Hello.
Oh